This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the essentials are in place. A container with slide items, previous and next controls, and a linked JS file that runs on DOM content loaded. Once you have elements, cache them with const queries so lookups are fast. Initialize an index variable at 0 and set widths via CSS rather than JS when possible. This reduces layout thrash and makes transitions smoother. Make sure to attach simple click listeners immediately. You will wire logic to those in the next step. Now you implement movement. Write functions next, and prev, that increment or decrement the current index and clamp it between 0 and last index. Apply a transform style on the track. Translate x with negative index times 100% to shift slides. Once done, set transition timing for easing and duration, and make sure to cancel and restart autoplay timers on user interaction. Debounce rapid clicks by disabling input during the transition to avoid jumpy behavior and finish by polishing accessibility. Add keyboard controls and touch swipe handlers that translate gestures into next or previous calls. If you want seamless looping, clone the first and last slides and jump the index without animation when wraps occur. Once done, listen for resize events to recalc dimensions and keep translate math accurate. If things go wrong, check this. Pauses or snapping usually mean transition conflicts. Disable listeners during CSS transitions, log index changes, and verify clones are excluded from focus and area order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.